How to speed up a video on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. Search CapCut and download CapCut app. After you've downloaded the app, open the app and go to New Video and select which video you want to speed up. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the video. At the bottom, scroll to the left and click on Speed. Press on Normal. And to speed up, increase it above 1x. Make sure you have slided the slider on the right side. You can make it 100, 10, or in between, how much speed you want. Press on the tick mark at the bottom right, and the video will be speed up. If you want more, you can go to normal again and speed up as you want. As you can see, it has been speed up. And this is how to speed up a video on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.